To use the mobile app for Banco Sabadell loan, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Register to create a new account. You will need your Banco Sabadell account details and identification information to complete the registration process. After registering, log into the app using your username and password. The home screen will display an overview of your accounts, including your loan account. To view your loan details, click on the Loan Account option. This will take you to a new screen where you can view your loan balance, interest rate, and repayment schedule. To make a loan repayment, click on the Make a Payment option. You will need to select the loan account you want to pay and the payment method. You can pay using your Banco Sabadell account or a credit card. Enter the payment amount and confirm the transaction. The app also allows you to track your loan repayment history and view your loan statements. To do this, click on the Loan History option. This will display a list of all your loan repayments, including the date and amount paid. In addition to loan management, the app also provides other useful features such as account management, transaction history, and customer support. You can use the app to view your account balances, transfer funds, and pay bills. To ensure the security of your account, always log out of the app when you are finished using it and keep your login credentials confidential. It is also a good idea to set up notifications to alert you to any suspicious activity on your account. By following these steps, you can easily use the mobile app for Banco Sabadell loan to manage your loan account and stay on top of your finances. The app is a convenient and secure way to access your loan information and make repayments, and it is available to use at any time.